Assalamu alaikum students. Today we will start a new chapter named Soil. So before starting this chapter, we need to know what is it. Basically, soil is a loose material that covers the much of the earth's surface. Here I picked some real soil to show you. In here we can see soil is a complex mixture of many organic matters and many other countless organisms. So if we add it in a full sentence, then we can say soil is a complex mixture of minerals, water, organic matter, and other organisms. Now, in this chapter, the first topic is importance of soil. So, the first thing is plants and animals use soil as their habitat. So we can say plants and animals use soil as their habitat. Number 2, plants get nutrients from soil. So here plants can get nutrient from soil. Now people can grow their food on soil. People can grow their food on soil. People also use soil for other purposes. For example, making building materials, crafts, etc. So, importance of soils, plants and animals use soil as their habitat. Number 2, plants also get nutrients from soil. People can grow their food on soil. People also use soil for other purposes. For example, making building materials, crafts, etc. Now we will know about the uses of soil. So, uses. Number 1, we use soil for agriculture. Number 2, we can use soil for making buildings or our houses. Number 3, we also use soil for making art and crafts. Number 4, we also use soil for landfills. Now we will know how we can use soil in them. First of all, Soil is used for growing plants in agriculture. Number 2, people can build houses and buildings on soil. We also make bricks, concrete, etc. from soil. Number 3, art and craft. Like this vase, this is also made of soil. So this, like this vase, there are some crafts also which we can make from soil. And the last one is landfill. Now what is landfills? Landfills are areas where garbage is placed in the land. I repeat, landfills are areas where garbage is placed in the land. Most of the trash that we throw away ends up in a landfill. Soil is used to bury them. Now, if we sum up today's whole topic, the first thing we learn is importance of soil. The first important is plants and animals use soil as their habitat. Number 2, plants also get nutrient from soil. Number 3, people grow their food on soil. And the last one, people also use soil for other purposes. Now the uses of soil: agriculture, people use soil for growing plants and it provides necessary water and nutrients for plants. Number 2, buildings. People make houses and buildings on soil, and soil also can be used for making building materials such as bricks or concrete, etc. Number 3, art and craft. Like I show you the vase. This is an example of a craft that we can make from soil. And last one is landfills. When we throw trash or garbage away, that ends up in a landfill. So here is the total topic, and I hope this will help you to understand the whole thing. Thank you so much.